What's the best 4K Wi-Fi action camera deal that money can buy? Well, I have your answer, and it's coming right up. Hi, I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite. I love tech, I love saving money, I love all of you for watching. I'm here for you to find those deals by subscriber requests. First, I'd like to point out that inside the packaging for this action cam, it's on. Don't know how that happened, but it's made it really, really interesting for my unboxings. But before we get to the unboxings, the deals, there's probably a new 4K action cam deal on the market every other week. A lot of manufacturers will quote all of these crazy prices to lure you in, but the second you buy it, you need 10,000 different accessories to make it waterproof or life-proof. The deal that I found today, and I've tested a lot, I actually loved the X1, which sold out, has identical features to what I'm about to show you. This Sports Extreme Pro is my favorite 4K action camera. Why? Well, we've tested it against many different models. This includes 20 different accessories. And for all those memories that you want to capture, before I show you the quality of this video, let's unbox it. Beautiful packaging. I really like this. You get a remote control, which you can use to pair with your smartphone, which we'll go through in a moment. Kind of comes off here like an Apple Watch, almost. The 4K Wi-Fi HD camera slips right off. Love that it already has its waterproof housing built into the case that it's on. And in here is a treasure chest of accessories. 20 different mounts and accessories. This is insane. Look at this. This is crazy. From tripod mounts to accessories, bike mounts, helmet mounts, extra tether straps, an extra door. Look at this. Things break, cases goes down. You got your replacements. This is a handlebar mount right here. You can use this with a bike, a motorcycle. I mean, it's just everything you'd need. This is a strap system, so you could wear this on a helmet, ready to go right out of the box. This is insane. You also get a full power adapter. Many of the competing products will just give you your micro USB cable or whatever it is to charge. They don't actually give you the adapter. That's included. There's even an adhesive mount. I mean, everything you would need is inside this box. This is the waterproof airtight housing. This is a beautiful camera. And in here, you also have an HD out, which is great, your micro SD card, your charge port. You have a microphone, so you can actually pick up some decent audio with this. Your modes are on the front. And your power button is up top. All you need to do is scan the QR code. And then you can download the app. So here we go. We'll grab the app for this camera. So you connect to the camera. I can now see and capture exactly what the camera sees. So this is wonderful. There's Chef Binks. And you also get some great capture modes. So you can do time lapse, you can loop something, you can enable the capture mode. You can record from here directly to your phone or the device, which is great because if you don't have a micro SD card in, you can just use your phone, which is a phenomenal way to capture footage. All right, this is what we can see on the action. Chef Binks, what are you eating?
Sponge candy.
Oh, that's cool. So you can see this part is actually lit really well. This is where we do our unboxing, so we do have a light. But I want to turn now to the windows. It's a very gray day. We've got no overhead lighting on. And the 4K quality of this is absolutely awesome. We'll show you some outdoor shots from the action cam that we're able to capture. But as I turn here, you can see there's not a whole lot of light. Gray day, no overhead lighting, and some really good footage, as well as my bubble tea over there. So you can capture some beautiful high definition video, all thanks to this camera. Is the audio quality amazing? No, I'm not wearing an external mic by any means, but it does pick up some great photo and video. I am a big, big fan. The retail price for this camera when in the hit market was $200. Then it dropped to $140. And it's now at $79.99 with free delivery. Keep in mind, the waterproof features, the mounts, the accessories, they're all included in that. That's a score. You'll see these prices tied to 1080p cameras, 720, but rarely 4K. And if it is 4K, it's not life-proof like this model, nor does it include the accessories. So if you want to make your move, you want to buy this, the link is located right under the video screen. Just expand that video description box. I think this would be the ultimate gift for a grad. If you have any grads that are a little bit older in your world and they're backpacking, this would be great for Father's Day. You could use this to capture some beautiful footage on the golf course. Be great for mom, or even just capturing memories of mom, or just treating yourself to something. Keep in mind, your smartphone is not designed to be a primary camera. It has limited solid state drive space. It has a lame battery, and well, your smartphone is primarily a phone. So if you do have a 4K Pixel or even the iPhone 10, I still think at the end of the day, the fact that you can sync this with your smartphone, you'd be better off with a dedicated camera. You can also clip this, mount this to yourself. You don't want to do that with a $1,000 smartphone. All right, all done with that. Love to know what memories you hope to capture. If you have any big plans this spring or summer, I'd love to know, and I'd love to see you again. So how can we make sure that we continue to see each other? Well, very easy process. Just click on my head right here. That'll subscribe you to this channel. Subscribe, it would be awesome. If you need help turning on your notifications or leaving a comment, click here. And that last big roundup of deals I did, it's over here.